Replacing control valve trim is easy to do, either when your process flow rates change or your valve trim has worn out. A stem-guided high-pressure control valve trim set includes the ball and stem and the seat. There is a wide range of sizes, 3 different types and 5 different materials. Check out our other videos and guides to help you understand how to choose what you need for your operation. First, remove the adjusting screw. Then, remove the coupling block. Unthread the 4 body bolts and remove the top works. Next, unthread the stuffing box from the valve body. If you hear a hissing sound coming from your communication hole, stop working immediately. This is alerting you that there is still pressure in the valve body. Make sure that the valve is completely depressurized before continuing. The stuffing box will usually come out as one assembly. If it doesn't, you can use a Kimray seat removal tool to remove the seat from the body. Put the stuffing box in a vise, clamping onto the flats. Separate the seat from the stuffing box. Next, loosen the cage to take the spring tension off the packing and make removal and reinstallation easier. Finally, remove the ball and stem. Add grease to the new stem. Install it, making sure it's fully inserted into the cage to prevent contact with the seat. Thread on the new seat and fully tighten both the seat and the cage. Then add grease to the O-ring. Thread the stuffing box assembly into the valve body. Replace the top works and bolts, but don't fully tighten them yet. Attach the coupling block along with the new travel indicator. Then fully tighten the body bolts and the adjusting screw. Your valve trim set is now ready to handle your new flow conditions.